Have you ever walked around your home and wondered, is this still the right place for me? Maybe the house is bigger than you need, or maybe the upkeep is heavier than it used to be. And yet, this is the place where you build memories, raise your family, and live your routine for years. That is not an easy thing to walk away from. Hi, I'm Ronnie Principal broker at Lady Aegis Realty. I'm also a senior real estate specialist. For over 20 years, I work with people at every stage of life. And what I learned is that downsizing is not just about moving to a smaller place. It's about the memories, the emotions, big life changes. In this video, we'll explore what downsizing really means and how you can tell when it might be the right time for you. When most people hear the word downsizing, they think it just means moving from a larger house to a smaller house. And yes, sometimes that's part of it. But for seniors, downsizing is really just about square footage. It's really about reshaping your life so that your home fits your need today and in the years ahead. Downsizing can mean different things to different people. For some, it's about reducing the physical demands of a big property. No more climbing ladders to clean gutters, shoveling snow, or maintaining rooms you don't even use anymore. For others, it's about simplifying daily routine so life feels less stressful, more manageable. But downsizing isn't just about the house. It's also about the lifestyle. It's about freeing time, energy, and sometimes even money so that you can focus on what matters most to you. Whether it's traveling, spending time with family, or simply enjoying a safer, more comfortable home environment. And then there's the emotional side. Downsizing often means sorting through decades of belonging, deciding what to keep, what to let go, and what memories you want to carry forward. This process can be overwhelming. It can also be deeply rewarding. It's a chance to create space, both physically and emotionally, for the next chapter of your life. So downsizing isn't just about moving to a smaller space. It's about creating a home that works for you rather than a home you have to work for. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like more insights on downsizing and other topics that matter to seniors, be sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss what's next. At Lady Aegis Realty, we are committed to helping seniors preserve, protect, and leverage their real estate asset to finance the next step in their lives. Until the next time, have a good day and take care. Bye-bye.